In this video today, I go through a live battle plan call with one of my new clients, Flo, and you're going to see exactly how we talk through the process of what she needs to do step by step in order to get this business going. Now, she has her head full of a bunch of stuff from YouTube and from other courses that just have overcomplicated her journey. But what we do in this call is we break it all down. I say, hey, look, this is what you need to focus on. This is what you need to do. And she's amazing. She's awesome. And she's taking action, which I love. But I wanted you all to see this so you could see the exact step-by-step game plan that I gave her so she could move forward. And by the end of this call, she understood exactly what she needed to do to find sellers, to find buyers, and how to get paid in the middle before she even needed to ever talk to a seller, or without ever needing to talk to a seller. So if you're brand new to wholesaling and you feel overwhelmed and you're not exactly sure what to do, this video is for you. So let's get right into it.
I just want to dive right in, and I just want to do the A, B, and C. Because Nathan, you're talking to your grandma here. And I said, I need extra hand holding. So I was talking to, I felt bad because I monopolized the weekly call last Tuesday. And I
feel bad. That's what they're there for. That's what
I said, what's helpful. And it was perfect timing. He went to Investor Lift and he was showing properties. I go, oh, Nathan, if you can you just go ahead and dive in and call? Just call. These are already motivated wholesalers. Pick one. So perfect. And then go, okay, what's your market for? I go, I think I want Dallas. Because I was the pressure of picking a market, because there's three hot ones, Dallas, Atlanta, or Florida, somewhere in Florida. Right. So luckily he had to pick Dallas, and perfect. The wholesaler was available and they started talking. And I'm saying, this is what I want to see, because when we're going to do it, we're going to experience this too.
Exactly.
Right. So that was more helpful to me than just, being a student and he's on the whiteboard. When I joined the weekly call, he says, join Investor Lift because that's where you're going to get your deals, blah, blah, blah. And then when I'm reading the course, no mention of Investor Lift. It was Investor Base, RE Simply, and PPL. And then, pick the PPL.
Yep,
and then that was, and then so that was about it. I go, okay. Yeah. And then, so he says, don't worry about that. And then I laugh when he says, okay, and whatever you learn on those YouTube universities on how to get motivated sellers and getting their software, the $200, erase all that, because we're going to teach you something. And I'm like, oh no. So I was like, oh no, that's what I learned is YouTube University, how to find motivated, sellers, and then finding a dispo, because I'm like, do you guys have a dispo? Because other YouTube gurus, they have a dispo. Actually, they encourage it that you bring your deals to them, because then they get the cut.
Right.
Well, that's fine. I don't have to look for a title company. That's totally, make it easy peasy. So I got nervous. I'm like, oh, you guys don't have this, or I have to relearn everything. So
don't be too nervous. I think he just says that because a lot of people come on here with, I would say they prior information that they learn that doesn't work very well. But don't worry, it's not that too confusing. We do help people close deals, by the way. We do.
Okay.
Like I was telling you, you would submit that to us so what we do is, if you have a wholesaler, if you're JVing, that is a deal that you would do on your own, because you already have the motivated wholesaler part. You just have to dispo it. We will close deals with people and help people if they have a direct to seller lead. So if you have a seller who wants to sell and you need help negotiating it, we'll hop in and we'll help you negotiate the deal, and we'll split the deal depending on how much we do. We'll help you dispo those. But when it comes to wholesale, like other wholesalers deals, we don't do that because the spreads are too thin and it just gets too complicated for us to be able to work those specific deals. But we do we work direct to seller deals with you. I have buyers lists in Dallas, but they're not like primed, hot, and ready. I haven't done a deal in Dallas in a long time. Okay. So we use Investor Base. Investor Base is where you would type in the address of that property and you would find buyers for that specific property. So that is what we recommend people using, is Investor Base if you're going to JV. And so that's to answer your question, you would use Investor Base.
Okay. So Investor Lift is to find the properties. So basically it's just a marriage between Investor Lift and Investor Base, and you're the connector.
Yeah. And Investor Lift is just one of the platforms that you can find wholesalers deals. You can find wholesalers deals in many different ways. You can find them on Facebook. You can find them in other coaching groups. You can find them. So the goal is just to reach out to a wholesaler, find out the information, see if they are open to JV with you. And then you go to investor base, or then you go dispo the deal. You've heard of New Western, right?
No, I have not.
Okay.
Is that another?
So New Western is a professional wholesaler. It's like a wholesaling brokerage. They're real estate agents that have wholesale deals. So you can reach out to, these are all the different branches that they're in. So here is, you're in Dallas. All right. So here's Dallas. You can reach out to them and you can say, hey, look, my name is Flo and I'm interested in looking at some of the deals that you have. Now, they do not let you wholesale their deals. So what you do with these is if you find a good one, you send it to one of the buyers that you have, and you can connect your buyer to that property, and then you can make an agreement with the buyer to pay you out through an invoice. You can say, hey, just pay me a bird dogging fee, or pay me a, that's what they call it, like a finder's fee.
Yes.
And so we've done deals with New Western where we get on their email list, we see their deals, and then we send them to buyers that we find on investor base. And we say, hey, would you be interested in this? So there's so many opportunities for you to do deals because there's deals everywhere. The key is taking the action. And that's the hardest part, is like just doing the work. But I know if you do the work and you stay consistent with it, you're going to close a deal. There's two ways to get deals that we recommend. You have outbound, which is like JVing, or it's like texting or cold calling or any of those things they tell you. I say JVing because it doesn't cost any money. And you can talk to someone that already knows what they're doing, and you can have that conversation like Nathan Valley did. The other one is inbound. And that's when you pay for leads to come in and then you qualify them. And that's what we were talking about, which is like $1,000 a month. You pay for the pay-per-lead service. They come in, you call and you qualify. If they're qualified, you submit them to us and we'll hop on the call and we'll take care of the process, and we'll do a deal, and we'll split depending on how much we do of it. I want to go through this cash buyer script with you. I think this would be good. You've seen how to talk Nathan Valley talk to the wholesalers. Right now, I want to role play with you the script. So I'm going to go through it and you're going to be the buyer. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Flo, I was calling you because I saw that you did a flip on 6912 Town North Drive. I was calling because I just saw you did a flip, and I have an off-market property right around the corner from the one that you did. And I was wondering if you're still looking to buy in this neighborhood.
Sure. I'm always open to see what's available.
Let me ask you a question real quick, Flo. Have you ever worked with wholesalers before?
No.
Okay. Well, perfect. So let me kind of tell you how this process works. One thing I can promise you is, you said you've never worked with wholesalers before?
Just kidding. Okay. No, just say, say yes for kicks. Okay.
Just say yes.
Yes.
So, okay, perfect. So you know the process and how it works. So one thing and by the way, if they say no, that's going to be kind of a tough person to work with.
Okay.
Yeah, which is fine. But if you're the first person that has to explain wholesaling, it's going to be kind of a difficult process. But anyway, all right, you've done it. Okay, perfect. So you know how the process works of wholesaling, Flo. One thing I can promise you, though, is I'm different from every other wholesaler you've ever talked to. I do things very differently. If you've worked with wholesalers before, you know how it goes. 99% of everything they send you is just trash, and it's at ridiculous prices, and the ARVs are inflated, and they tell you it's just a 5K rehab when it's a full gut job, and they're trying to make millions of dollars on every single deal. I do things completely differently, Flo, okay? Let me tell you what I do differently.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
For me, it's a volume game. I want to have the right relationship with you. Some deals we source ourselves, but honestly, the majority of what we do are deals that come from other wholesalers and agents' relationships. And the reason for that is because, like you already know, the vast majority of deals that they send out are absolutely bad, right? And you see the price and you just say, oh man, this isn't even close. I'm not going to waste my time on that. A lot of the time, you're right. It would be a complete waste of your time. But that's where I come into play. Because there's also a number of times that they send it out at a ridiculous price, but it's because they're trying to make like a ton of money on the deal. But I know personally that they have a little bit of leeway. I know that they have a little bit of wiggle room. So I know I have an opportunity where I think you can get a good deal and you can win it. That's what I do differently, is I know what's going on in those certain situations. Does that make sense?
Yes.
That in a nutshell, I can keep reading through the script, but that in a nutshell is that what we're trying to convey to people is, look, we know that if you look at a deal immediately, it's not going to look good, Flo. Everybody tries to make as much money as they can, but I have personally called. I know the situation, and I know there's some wiggle room, and I think there's a good opportunity for you here. So I think it's worth your time to take a look at. You would just reach out to the buyer. Hey, I have a property from another wholesaler. You probably already seen it. You probably already seen that it's available, but I have some intel. I have some inside scoop that this is a good opportunity for you. And they have it for a lot less than what they were asking. So you would send the buyer, you don't need to sign anything. You'd send the buyer to go take a look at the property. Once the buyer's like, yes, I do want the property. Then you would finalize, okay, what can you do? 397, 400. Then you reach out to the wholesaler. Hey, I got someone, he's ready to go. Let's sign an agreement saying that we'll split it 50-50, or let's sign an agreement saying that I get it for whatever you negotiate. And then once you sign, then you connect that buyer to the wholesaler, and then they take that contract, and you make sure that everybody knows. You get CC'd in on the email at the title company, and they know that you're a part of the deal, and then they'll ask you for your wiring instructions, and then you're pretty much done. Then the wholesaler takes care of the rest of it. You're really just connecting and making sure that you have the right paperwork signed, so you get paid out at title. You're building right now. What you're doing is you're building a skill set, right? A lot of people, they want the fast, easy money, which is understandable, but
yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, I want to learn. I want to learn first, because nothing is fast, and there's no. Yeah, no.
It's not fast. I know, unfortunately. That's what it looks like when someone brand new comes in and gets a clear path to going forward and a game plan, so they know exactly what they need to do. There's no cold calling, no big marketing budget, no complicated CRM systems, no complicated tech. Just find a deal, find a buyer, connect them, and get paid. All right, it's as simple as that. Now, Flo came in overwhelmed, but she left with a game plan, knowing exactly what to do. And if you're interested and you need something like that, or you like something like that, where you could get a game plan specific to your situation, because everybody's situation is different. Everybody's different. Everybody has different time that they can work. Everybody's got different skill sets. Everyone's got a different strategy that they want to do. And sometimes one strategy works better for one person than it does another. So if you're looking for that guidance and that hands-on help, all you got to do is click on the link below and book a call. Now, only do this if you're serious and you're ready to take action. And if you found this video helpful, I want you to check out the next video on the next screen. See you on the next one.